Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Indoor plants decoration has become a delightful trend that breathes life and vitality into interior spaces. Beyond their natural beauty, indoor plants offer a plethora of benefits, both aesthetic and functional. These green companies add a touch of freshness, creating a soothing and calming atmosphere, which is especially valuable in our modern, fast-paced lives. From small potted scallops and velvet farms towering palms and dwelling vines. The variety of indoor plants allows for a diverse range of decorating possibilities, catering to different styles and preferences. These living elements bring a sense of connection to nature even within urban environments, making our homes feel like tranquil oases. Indoor plants also contribute to improve air quality by purifying the surrounding air and reducing toxins, thus enhancing overall well-being. Their versatility enables them to be placed in any corner of a room, whether on shelves, window sills, or in statement pieces on the floor. Moreover, indoor plants effortlessly complement various interior designs themes, seamlessly blending into contemporary bohemian or minimalist aesthetics. Caring for these green treasures fosters a sense of responsibility and mindfulness, providing a rewarding and therapeutic experiment for plant enthusiasts. Overall, plants have proven to be more than just decorative elements. They bring life, health, and a touch of natural elegance into our living spaces, transforming house into homes brimming with vitality. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.